Tour-Pak, cleaned it up. Just gotta do a quick light sanding. Get some of this orange peel off, or overspray, whatever you want to call it, and we'll be ready for clear coat. Side came out really nice where I did all the repairs. Happy with that. Alright, time to sand. I'm going to be using 2000 because this is not that bad. So I'm going to use the 2000 grit to polish it up and sand it down a little bit. This is going to take a while, so I'm going to go ahead and get this done and we'll come back. Welcome back. It's all sanded down. Now I'm just going to hit it up with the wax and tire remover. Basically it's the same process that I've done everything else up to this point. Alright, I'm going to let it sit, dry for a few minutes, and then go ahead and hit it with a tack cloth, and we'll clear coat it with the 2K clear coat. While I'm waiting for that to dry, I went ahead and started sanding the side cover. And this is ready for primer. It's been cleaned and all that stuff. So I'm going to go outside, I'm going to prime this up real quick. Again, using a 2-in-1 fill sandable primer. Alright, now I'm going to do the other piece. Just like every other piece that I've done. 320 sandpaper. I'm going to power sand it. Alright, I'm going to go prime this one, just like I did the other one. The other one, it's already primed. Just going to hit it up with a little sandpaper. I'll wet sand it. This is 320. Shouldn't take long to do this. I want to see if there's any high-low spots, anything that you need to hit up again, you know? I'll sand it, do a better job sanding. Because if you can see it through this, the primer, you're going to see it through the paint. Again, being careful on the edges, because if you sand too much on the edge, it'll take it right off. Let's go give it a nice green coat. Tough doing it outside because you get freaking bugs laying on it and shit. Just sucks. Well, that's it for today. Both side covers have been painted. Gotta let it dry, and whenever I get a chance, go ahead and give it a quick sand with some 800 grit and give it the flex coat. In the Tour-Pak, I will show you what that looks like. And that's all been clear coated with the 2K. We'll see how it turns out once I polish it, or buff it out, whatever you want to call it. I'll give that about 2 or 3 days to cure or to harden, and then I'll buff it out. Still gotta be careful though, because it's not truly hardened. I think it takes about 30 days for paint to truly harden up, or gas off, or whatever it is called. So I'm hoping it turns out alright, because I painted the plastics green too. See what happens. I do have to add a pinstripe to that also. So we'll see. That rear fender I think looks great on the bike. I like the color. It's coming along. It's a lot of work though, but it's coming along. I wish I had a paint booth. I guess I could make one out of PVC pipe and plastic. Maybe that's what I should have did. But anyway, this is a backyard paint job. If it turns out halfway decent, I'm happy with it. Saved me a ton of money. Of course, I'm doing all the work myself, but if I get it to look as good as that fender looks, man, I'm going to be freaking ecstatic with the way the bike looks. Alright, take care. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.